Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You will start by securing the system, so create a full image backup and file history now. This protects data if registry fixes fail. Make sure you have admin credentials and enable the built-in administrator account if needed, because repair actions require elevated access. Once done, prepare a Windows 10 USB recovery drive of at least 8 GB to boot into recovery environment. Booting from that drive gives access to advanced repair tools and registry hive restoration, so don't skip these initial protective steps. Once in command prompt from WinRe, run regedit to inspect hives. This is how you directly restore registry files. First, backup current hives by copying C/Windows/system32/config to a safe folder. Then navigate to C/Windows/system32/config/reg-back and check file sizes. If non-zero, copy those hives, SAM, System, Software, Default, Security over the config folder. This replaces corrupted hives with known good backups. Make sure to use correct ownership and permissions. After replacing hives, reboot into normal Windows and immediately run sfc/scano and dism restore health to repair associated system files and ensure consistency. If the machine fails to boot, return to recovery drive and either restore your full image backup or choose Reset this PC with Keep My Files as a last resort. If problems persist, boot into safe mode or apply a recent system restore point. These steps help isolate services and undo registry changes. One tip: keep the original hive backups until the system is stable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.